We will begin by typing scholar.google.com into your browser. From the Google Scholar homepage, click the menu icon. Next, click the Settings link. Then click Library Links. Type San Jose State University into the search box and click Search. Check San Jose State University and click Save. We can do a sample search by entering tutorials into our search box. In the results list, clicking Find It at SJSU directs you to the article on the library's website. Sign in to view all of your options. Click the database link to view the article. You can read the full article in PDF form by clicking PDF here. Happy searching!